Hi, my name is Eran Strauchler, and I'm a director in the product department at Papaya. And today, I'm going to go over with you our new AI onboarding agent that allows to onboard contractors in a seamless operation. So let's get started. When the contractor receives the invite to register to Papaya, they have the onboarding cards that they need to follow. And the first thing that they need to do is to fill their business information, their forms and documents. We in Papaya, we developed a new AI onboarding agent that uses the latest LLM technology that allows us to validate the forms and the documents via a sophisticated new AI tool that basically validate the documents and the forms given the instructions that we give to the agent. You can see here a sample of a form and the documents that the contractor needs to upload. And by the way, everything here is completely configurable. So we can customize this form to validate, to collect any information from the contractors based on the customer's requirements. For example, the LLM can validate a sub-certificate or any kind of certification or documentation that the customer wants us to collect from the contractors. So this is a sample form that I'm going to highlight the functionality of the new AI tool that we did. I'm going to fill the form with the information about the contractor. Now, instead of uploading a valid British passport, I'm going to upload a picture of the back of a passport. This is the picture that I'm going to upload, and this is an actual submission that we received from one of the contractors when we collected the information. And now I'm going to submit the form, and the AI is validating now that all the information that I submitted is correct. Okay, what's really amazing here, if you look at the error message that the AI gave, is that the AI identified that it's incorrect British passport. It clearly shows a back of a passport of Republic of Korea. This shows you the technology that we use for the AI is the latest ChatGPT technology that validates all the documents and the forms almost like an operational person. So to summarize, we in Papaya, we developed the new AI onboarding agent that uses the latest LLM technology that validates all the forms and the documents that the contractor uploads to the platform. The biggest advantage of this new AI onboarding agent that it cuts the onboarding time from days to minutes. Because when the contractors are uploading all the documents and the AI validates everything on the spot, they get an immediate response of what's incorrect and they can immediately fix it, comparing to all the technology of having operations people who needs to check all the documents and forms, and then there is a lot of back and forth that prolongs the onboarding process from minutes to days. And that's it. Thank you.